All right, y'all, look. Usually I have my camera, but this time I gotta shoot on my phone, so I gotta make sure things is fast. And I use this battery efficiently, but we are here. We're finally going to see the big balloon up there. You know, I wasn't nervous at first, but you know what? It's pretty high in the air, so I'm pretty nervous. I think it goes up 500 meters, not a meters a guy. Maybe it goes up like 500 meters, I think. Oh, look who's coming with me, him right there. Mister, I gotta use the bathroom. He went to get water, he got his water. First, before we get on, we have to do like this 20-minute safety procedure thing. So we're gonna go to that right now. I think because of me, we don't have to watch the video.
Me?
No, me. We guess they think I don't understand the video. They right, I don't. Don't at all. You ready?
Yeah.
We going up. Oh, it shakes like crazy. I'm not scared.
You scared?
I'm not. Okay, I'm a little scared. I can't lie. I regret this so much. We can't move, like we have to stay in one spot, and the wind is sickening. Look at the way this thing sways back and forth. The only thing keeping us on the ground is that we are just swaying back and forth. The net got in the way, so I couldn't really like get like a good view of the city from up top. But I got it best as I could, and the wind was blowing. Hopefully, with my the little fluff thing on my mic, it didn't really catch the wind. It's a quick 15 minutes in the air. Right now, it's like super cold, so the wind is blowing up at the top. He was scared and cold.
You're scared.
All right, I was a little scared, not that scared, but I wasn't cold. He was cold. That's why he's sniffling. We were gonna go to the IFC mall before. I changed my mind. We're not gonna go eat like some westernized food. I want to show you guys more like Korean foods. I've been here almost 4 years, and I don't really think I've tapped into showing you guys like Korean food. So we're gonna go eat some Korean food. Some type of beef galbi. I forgot what it is, but it's a nearby restaurant. It doesn't open up till 5. Right now it's like 4 something. So we're gonna wait a little bit and then go to this Galbi restaurant. Ooh. I'm getting a new laptop this year, a new MacBook. I'm trying to figure out which one. The one I was gonna get, they no longer buy it in that memory tier. So they're increasing to the terabyte. Why you stop looking at the dog? This man trying to get me to buy Air. I'm not buying no damn Air. I need the Pro for what I do. And I want the M5 chip Pro. He keeps showing me the M4 Max, but you know they came up with like the M5 Max, M5 Pro. I don't mind just the M5 one. This is the one I want. Yeah, this is the one I want. I don't really need these higher end ones. The M5 is just good enough for me. Right now, I got that 2019 Intel MacBook Pro. I don't want it anymore. They don't have 15 inches anymore. I wish it came at 15 instead of 14, but... Oh, this... No, 15-inch Pro they don't have. See how much it costs? It's 3 million won for that. I don't want the Pro. So I'm going to get the 14-inch M5 with the nano screen. Now, regular price is like 2,900,000 won. But if I'm a student, I get it for like 2,700,000 won, no tax. I need to find a student, that way I get this discount. I want them to buy it, that way I can pay less instead of paying all that money. I want the discount. I gotta figure that out. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wait until September to buy it. Because if I wait then, hopefully they'll drop the price down a little bit with the new products coming out. So we're eating some like marinated beef. And I'll show you what it looks like when they come out. Just picture like when you marinate some meat in like some sweet with a little spicy sauce and then you saute it. That's what we're eating. They came out with some sides for us. I'm gonna show you how the sides. Apparently this place is popular because it's already packed. We here at 5 and they came out at 5. There's a lot of people here, but I don't want to lift the camera up. Be like beer in everybody's face. So let me show you how the sides. Wasabi, this the bowl. That's wasabi. This is some type of kimchi. I'm definitely gonna eat on those. It's like, they're not jalapenos. I forget what they is. I don't know, it's like a chili. It's spicy and a little sweet. Onions, I'm gonna definitely smash on them onions because I love me some onions. I have no idea. What's this? Yeah, I don't know either. Look like some type of marinated minced up garlic. That's regular garlic. This is some sauce with an egg yolk, white kimchi. This is like thinly sliced fish cake, japchae. They got some type of leaf for us to eat with the meat. This is like some cold tea that I'm not eating. All right, we're gonna open it up. Go ahead. This is definitely some rice. This is like some pasta sauce. It looks like shin ramen's in there too. Like noodles. Okay, so is this rice or noodles? Yeah, rice and noodles with some like creamy shin ramen tawamba sauce. Yo, I should have tasted it on camera. This right here. If you ever eat shin ramen, put some cream in it. Put some type of cheese in it. God. It's the best shin ramen I ever had. Good Lord. See what this japchae be like. This is a japchae. That's too much, huh? Okay, good. Need a little salt, but it's good. Japchae is fire, but this right here, this little shin ramen creamy thing, fire. Sauteing them onions down there. What's sundubu? What's sundubu? Oh, this.
Yeah, sundubu.
The sundubu is like this silky. Sundubu is like this really silky tofu. I like it. It's good. This ain't spicy. Nice little red sauce. It's peppery. It's fire. Damn, that burnt my damn mouth. I do when you get the rice in Korea. That's what they do. They take a little bit of the rice, dip it in that soup, and then you eat it. But we've been doing that in the black community. We like smothered rice, smothered potatoes. We don't dip it. We just pour it on top. Let's try some of this meat. Look like right here. Usually you just cut it, but I ain't finna cut nothing because I only got one hand, so I'm gonna just eat it. Good boy. This is wild. I can't eat no pork because I've been trying to enjoy this food. Because this meat right here, fire. It ain't tenderism, but it's tender. No, it's not tenderism, it's just tend. Just a little pull, and it's good. This place was good as a mug. Like, I'm gonna drop the location in the description. They give free service. It's like this little banana candy. So, my tip, don't get, it's one serving, it's like 46,000. Don't get that, just get the 1 kilogram. You probably be like, a kilogram of meat? I'm trying to tell you, that kilogram include bone. Get yourself the 1 kilogram for 69,000 won. I know, that's like $40, but it's gonna feed 3 to 4 people. If you come here by yourself or just you two, if y'all big backs, still get a kilogram. If you're not a big back, get the one that's like 46,000. If you get that ramen rice, don't get no rice, don't get no soup. Man, take the free size they give you, Go get that shin ramen creamy rice and that beef. Chef's kiss. Going forward all this year and go forward, as long as I'm being in Korea, I want to show you guys like different foods. I feel like I haven't done that. I want to show you more and more future vlogs. One thing I've never seen anybody do on YouTube or just talk about in Korea is bowling. I finna bust his ass. So our shoes cost 2,000 won, which is like a little more than $1. And then each game is only 5,000 won, which is like $3 and some change. Last time we went bowling, he beat me. Bust his. No. He better break the damn floor. Whatever. You wanna go first or me? One, you first or me? Go. This bullshit. 1.1. I cannot lose this. I talk too much trash to be losing by like 3 points. I'm gonna show y'all. He just only hit 1 pin, so I'm hoping he just missed everything else. Okay, good. I may be in the lead. All right, I lost game 1. We're doing best 2 out of 3. I'm about to thrash him, I swear. I started off best 2 out of 3. I started off fire. I had a strike. Starting off, whooping his ass. I mean, whooping him. If he beat this one, I gotta pay for everything. I ain't doing that. Y'all saw that strike? I got lost again, 92 to 100. I don't know what's going on. But we're gonna play one more game. One more. Lost all 3 times. Bump bowling. I don't even care.